Hello all, my name is Vidita Kher. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing some of my daily productivity hacks which really helps to utilize time effectively in this new normal way of living post-pandemic. It's been quite some time we all are working from our homes and have not visited our workplace in this new normal. While working from home, no 2 days are similar. I would not be lying, but some days are too overwhelming in terms of the work deadlines and the emotional regulation in this new normal. Because the usual place where we used to vent out, relax, chill, that is our home, or more specifically our own room, has now become our workplace, which once used to be the place where we used to sit, relax, chill, and be creative and imaginative. So, to not let the emotional overspill get over my nerves and to not think about the past, the present, the things beyond my control, I take the help of technology to serve me right so that I can utilize my time more efficiently over completing my goals and my targets. The first step towards increasing my productivity in this new normal was that I uninstalled the social media apps, the app version of all the applications from my mobile, because basically it takes away a lot of time whenever there is a new notification, and it distracts me whenever somebody puts up a post and I just go into the app and spend minutes to hours and my time is gone. So I uninstalled the app versions. I enabled browser login for all such applications. Initial few weeks, what happened is that I also did log into the application to check my feed and what is happening around the world. And I also made sure that I log out after each visit to the app, browser based. Now, after a few weeks, since it is a very hectic work to log in and log out every time, so after a few weeks, I stopped doing that, or my frequency reduced a lot. Now it's been almost 4 to 5 months of time where I have reduced or almost stopped checking in my feed on a daily basis. And there I tricked my mind with the help of technology by only enabling browser logging for social media app, which really takes a lot of time. Bingo. Once I uninstalled the apps which took up my time, caused a lot of distraction and energy drain, I searched for applications where I can utilize my time for the rest of the day after work and reap benefits out of it. So now I'm going to talk about 5 such apps where I am using them often on a daily basis, and that has helped me a lot in improving my productivity and to stay more focused. The first app I'm going to talk about is the TickTick app. I got recommended about this app a while ago through an online post, and since the time I've started using it, I feel very comfortable. It's really easy to use app and it helps enormously in creating a task list for a daily routine, for weekly, or for any of your recurring task lists. I have created 3 separate folders in this app. So for one folder is for my work related tasks, second is for fitness related tasks, and third is for learning related tasks. So I can, every time I conveniently add my to-dos in this particular folder and mark them off once they are done. Basically the app itself will notify you at particular time when that task is designated as you have entered. You can also customize the time to be notified on each task level or also on the folder level. For your fitness, let's say you have 5 tasks to do today for fitness, you designate a time of 6 p.m. in the evening, you will be notified. Now, how do I use it? I use it every night before going to bed. I key in my to-dos for the next day and I get notified easily, and that really helps because you can offload your important tasks from your mind into the app, and be rest assured that you will be notified to do them on time. The second app is the Medium app. So when I stopped mindless scrolling on the social media apps, I had a lot of time at hand to utilize, which I tried or basically started to invest in writing on this wonderful platform of Medium. Now, writing gives me a lot of joy and a sense of belonging. It is one of my hobbies, and I've been really actively posting contents on my Medium blog during this lockdown, and it has given me two things. One, it has really given me, or it has improved my writing, my expression through writing content, and second, it has given me a good list of genuine followers who actually like my work. Now, if you also are interested in reading, probably I can share my Medium blog post link in the description below. Go through my blog post, and please share me your views in the comments of how do you like my work in writing. I write about some self-help tips, technical blog on my topics which I explore in open source world. Also, I write about communication skills, how to improve your leadership style, etc. So do visit my blog. The third app which I used to improve my productivity and spend time was or is the Udemy app. Basically, you can learn any new skills and try to improve on any of your existing skill using this app. So during the lockdown in the month of June, I learned from Udemy the course of certified Kubernetes app developer and gave my certification in the same month and got certified. I also have a blog post describing how I completed my certification and the ways to do it in a month. I'll share that link. So basically, this app Udemy is very easy to use. It has all the supporting documentation available with each of the videos that you purchase from the website. Some are free videos, some videos are at a reasonable rate, and I would say that look out for any discount vouchers available. So recently there was an offer ongoing for Thanksgiving. Another one was for Cyber Monday. There was for, I think, for the whole week. You can also look out for upcoming discounts that would be there in the month of towards the month end during Christmas. The thing I like about this app is that every app or every video in this app has a caption, and also there is, in addition to that, there is a good student forum available where you can ask any clarifying questions that you may have about your skill, and a lot of practice tests are also available. So you can be rest assured, once you buy a course, you are really spending your time in learning it and mastering the skill. Probably you can give a certification to also assess yourself about the learnings that you have done. So this is about the Udemy app. The fourth app, well, actually is not an app, but it's a traditional way of putting sticky notes on my work from home wall. I think nothing can be as easy and convenient as a sticky note on your work from home wall, because it really helps you remind of some of the core tasks that you should do to really improve your productivity, stay more focused, stay more healthy and energetic throughout the day. So while sitting for long hours at work on the chairs, sometimes we tend to forget some of the basic things. So I have two stickies on my work from home wall, one which reminds me to drink water, and second one is to take frequent breaks in between. So that has really helped me to be reminded of these cores, so that I am on track with respect to my health, with respect to my posture, and that really helps for improved productivity, so that I can sit for longer hours. I take multiple breaks in between. I stretch for 5 minutes on my chair after I spend a good 30 to 40 minutes working. The fifth app is the WhatsApp. Now, you must be intrigued to know how WhatsApp is improving my productivity. So, basically, I created a group with only me as the member. So you join any of your friend and then probably kick them out, and you are in that group. Now how do you use that group? You can send some important messages to yourself which you would want to remind, because WhatsApp is that one app which everybody uses for frequent communication. It's always there in your mobile and you can quickly access it. Now I use it sometimes to, basically, if I am not at my desk or on the go, if I have to jot down something and I want to expand something on that topic later, some of my ideas or some of my conversations that I have online offline, and want to note down some byproduct out of that conversation, I make a note of that. And some of my YouTube ideas which I am thinking that I can process them at a later stage for my later YouTube videos, some ideas, I use that group, and that comes really handy for me. I have been greatly benefited by that, by creating that group, and I would also recommend you to try using that kind of way to talk to yourself when you really want some handy notes for yourself. That really helps. Do try it out. To summarize, I'd like to say that I've been using these apps for almost a year now, and I've been greatly benefited from their usage. First of all, by uninstalling the apps which cause me distraction, I have conserved on my energy. I am feeling more organized. I can structure my work at the start of the day, so I know and I stay focused and goal oriented. So my productivity eventually increases. I would request you, all my viewers, you can also try some of these, using some of these apps, and see for yourself what changes it brings in your daily routine, it brings in your achieving your goals. And let me know in the comments, how did you find how did you really like about this by using or installing these apps, and try to use them in your daily life. For me, it has brought a lot of energy conservation. I am being more focused on my work, and I sleep with a positive mindset every day. So with this, I'd like to conclude this video and hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.